Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Kia Sportage wiper blades. It's a simple task that improves visibility and safety. You'll need new wiper blades, typically a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and an 18-inch blade for the passenger's side, along with a soft cloth. No special tools are usually required, making this a quick and easy DIY project for anyone. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into a raised position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, locate the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade off the hook or attachment point. Once removed, carefully lower the wiper arm or place a soft cloth on the windshield to prevent any accidental damage. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Once both front blades are installed, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Remember, the driver's side is typically 26 inches and the passenger's side 18 inches. After installation, it's crucial to test your new wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle and use the windshield washer fluid to activate them. Observe if they wipe smoothly and quietly, clearing the glass without leaving any streaks or smudges. For optimal visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. Don't forget to check your rear wiper blade, which is often 12 inches, if your Sportage has one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.